In this video we are going to learn how to measure dimensions between pads to root, like this, because I got one query regarding this, like how to measure a dimension. Actually I'm getting so many queries, but I'm sorry I'm not able to make video of all the queries. I will make one by one. I'm not getting proper time because some personal issues. Okay, because my kid is very small, he's not making me to make uh, giving me time to make video. So okay, fine, so let's start. This is for this what we'll do, this is dimensioning toolbar. So first we have to come here, and then for making horizontal, suppose you want to measure distance between this pad to this pad, then you just make it horizontal because it is in horizontal. And suppose you want this pad to this partition, this is vertical, so that I will show you how to make. This is horizontal. See, if you want to make snap to center, just right click, snap to center, and then see here it is 125 mil. This is in mils. This my board dimension is in mils, so it is coming here 125 mil. If it is in mm, then it will come in mm. This is horizontal, center to center dimension, it is 125.00 mil. Now vertical dimension means from here till here, it will come 90 mil. Whatever dimension it will be, it will come here 90 mil. And if you cancel, if you are in horizontal dimension and you want to make this, it won't come. Illegal measurement of vertical items. For so only for horizontal dimension you make it here horizontal. For vertical you have to come here vertical. Okay, so if you want to measure dimension snap to center, if you are making and you want to measure this, it won't come, corrupt type. So for this what you have to make, snap to any point. Now you just, if you are making dimension here, it will take automatically. You have to make it snap to any point. Then from this point, this vertical line to this pad center, that will come 45 mil. Whatever dimension it will be there in the pad to this line, it will show. So if you are making snap to center and you are trying to make this to this dimension, it won't come. For this you have to make snap to any point. Okay, then it will come. Like that only everywhere. Like if you want to make see horizontal dimension, this to this, you want to measure how much it is, 25 mil. It is simple, just make horizontal, vertical, and snap to any point, it dimension will come. Now if you already have showed how to make this board outline dimension, but now I'm already showing here. If you want to make dimension between this to this, what is your board line dimension, board outline? For that what you have to do, first select board outline, select, and then go to horizontal. This dimension will come here. Okay, so this is the process how to make how to measure dimension, how to measure board dimension, and like that only. Select board outline, go to vertical, this will come. Okay, so this is the process how you are going, how you are measuring board dimension, because sometimes client will ask the dimension of what is the dimension. Anyway, you also need to know what is the dimension between pad to pad. Sometimes it is needed. So this to this it is 200, like that only we can make. Okay, so this is how we'll measure dimension between pad to anywhere, pad to anywhere. Okay. suppose if you want to make dimension, see this is this to this dimension you want to make, this root to this, this is the dimension. And select anything, select trace, select trace or pins. You want select trace, okay. So this vertical here till here it is vertical, so this to this dimension it will come. If you want to measure this trace length, just go to properties, select this trace, and then to move, go to properties. Here also you can see the length of the trace is 275, width is 40. Like that you can check your trace length. Okay, so this is all in this video. I'll show so many queries are there, like how to generate Gerber, how to check Gerbers. So again I am going to make one video for layer boards, this board only. In this I am going to tell how to from the beginning how to check how Gerber settings and Gerber generations. In that itself I will show how to check Gerber also. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Please share, subscribe, share my videos, and so like my videos also. If you are liking, means if you it is helpful for you, then only you like. I'm not forcing anyone to like it, not forcing anyone to subscribe it. I'm just making this video because I want people, like, this is only for beginners. I'm just in each and every video I'm just saying this is for beginners. If you are new in PCB design, if you are new in pads tool, then it will be helpful. Otherwise it won't help if you are knowing everything. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Thanks once again.